Are you seeing your Windows laptop or desktop crashing and blue screening, or you have performance issues? Then you may want to test your memory using this single easy command. So first off, what we need to do is head down to the command line. So to access that, we want to right click on the Windows icon here, and then we want to go to Run, and in Run we want to type CMD, and that's going to bring up what we call the command prompt. Now don't be frightened of the command prompt. I want you to get used to using the command prompt because it's something we use day to day as a network engineer for 26 years, more so in the last probably 20 years, or the first 20 years of my career, and not so much now. In the last couple of years they seem to be pushing more the GUI, certainly in the network area of IT. So before we go on to the next step, we just want to ensure that we're going to need to restart the machine. So I just want to make sure that you've saved any documents, saved any work that you're working on at the moment, because it will require a restart, so don't want you to lose any information. Okay, so we just need this one simple command which we can type, which is MDSCHED. So I'll pop that in the video description as usual, and you just want to press enter now. Okay, like I said, now we get the prompt, we can restart the machine. So like I said, you just want to make sure that you've saved any work before you press the button. Let's press the button now and restart the system. So as you can see, the system now is restarting, and a part of that restart process, it will kick off the memory test before it reloads Windows. Okay, so you can see the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool page has started now, and it's running the testing now. So this may take several minutes. Okay, now we can see Windows restarting now. So now Windows is restarted, we want to just confirm the results of that test. So what we need to do is go back down into Search, Event, Viewer, and there we go. So we can open that. Okay, let's bring that up there. So if we go to Windows Logs, and then go into System. Okay, and now we just need to scroll down until we find the memory test results here. So let's go into... Okay, so we've got the memory informational event here, the memory diagnostics. So we want to double click on this one. So you can see it says here, the Windows memory diagnostic tested the computer's memory and detected no errors. We can also go into details, and you can see here that the result was pass. So that tells us that there was actually no memory errors on our memory. So that's absolutely fine. So that's good news if you've got that. Obviously, if you don't get that and it says that it has detected errors, then unfortunately you do have an issue with your memory. Most memory, you can contact the manufacturer, you can get the details from the actual DIMM itself, and then you may be able to reach out to the manufacturer to get that replaced. If you're still having issues with blue screens, then or the system crashing, I would suggest that you do Windows Update. So you can come back down to Search and type Windows Updates, and you can do check for updates here. And you can see there is another update actually downloading as we speak at the moment. So you would just do check here, and then obviously download it as required. So if you'd like to perform other checks on your system, you may want to check the GPU temperature, and if you're interested in that video, I'll link it in the top right corner of the screen and put it in the description below. And with that, I'll catch you in the next one.